Smart people don't chase AI skills anymore, and I explain why. 6 months ago, I was sitting at my desk, staring at a folder, 200 saved tools. A prompt library becomes so big, so I need a prompt to search for a prompt. And guess what? I had the same tool saved from a year earlier. I remember sitting there thinking, what is wrong with me? Why is not any of this stacking? I was doing everything the AI gurus said. Collect the best prompts, take every course before it gets behind. Chase every new model drop the weeks. I just install Sonnet, Opus, Haiku, test all of my flows, and everything is doing good, but not great. Like, I feel that Claude is so overwhelmed with information. Then one random Friday, I get coffee with my business partner, an old friend who is now running a successful company with marketing analytics, and I expect to hear about his impressive AI stack. So some clever advice from me. Instead, he looked at me and said, I have not learned a new AI skills in months. I built one system. So I asked him what he meant, and he picked up a pen and started drawing on a napkin. He said a system is a loop. Skills are inputs to the loop. You just have a pile of disconnected tools with no arrows between them. So maybe you see some viral videos on TikTok when people create an obsidian knowledge base. So that's it. Then I drove home thinking this is just being organized with extra steps. Folders, Notion page, color code systems I used 2 weeks and abandoned. So I pushed back the new day and said, how is this different from any other productivity framework I've tried and dropped? His answer was short, the monitor step. He said every system I'd built before had no feedback coming back in. So then I decided to build an iterative framework. The framework that used in great companies like SpaceX or Tesla, when people test a lot of frameworks and then choose the best framework that working in their organization. So every time I started a new cycle, it was a day one. Fresh state, no memory of what working last time, just a repeated effort. That was answer to why is the loop different. The monitor step. Without it, every cycle is day one. Here is what the 6 stages looked like in the practice. Because when I build a good fundamental of my AI model, I can also add different skills that will be working great as a one system. I have my CRM system with clients, so I export them. Also, I have last month's campaigns from Meta Ads. Also, I choose the best info that can be uploaded to this model. Then I decided to transform it. I just make a structure. I decided what questions I was answering before I touched any AI tools. So I start to build a pipeline. Then I deploy it. I get it where it needs to go. The output had to leave my computer. Then run. Do the actual work with the system was pointed at. For example, email campaigns to the client. I just make it and then start to test it. Then I start to correct some mistakes, and this stage is a monitor stage. Before I start the new cycle, I open the attribution dashboard, see what the last cycle actually produced. Without the analysis and monitor stage, the loop has a gap and the next cycle starts blind. 3 weeks later, my output did not get bigger. They got more consistent. They surprised me. The AI tools are still there, every one of them, but now each tool has a place in the loop. So when you build a great system, this system will provide you good results. The teams that compound faster have the monitor step wired before anything else. They know they have a quality, and this quality should be achieved. This lesson isn't stop learning AI skills. Skills matter. A good prompt is worth knowing. AI tools saved real hours. But a skill with no loop to run is just a tool sitting in the drawer. You just pick it when you feel it like. You pull it down when it gets busy and does not compound. It just waits. The question I used to ask was what new AI skills should learn this week? That question kept me busy. It never made me faster. Wherever you are, marketer, founder, solo operator running a small team, the 6 stages map into your work. Ingest, transform, build, deploy, run, and monitor. It works like a biological theory of evolution. We just have new level of our mechanism working, and we should choose which working better. Also, a good benefit of this system, it can be run all the time. You don't need to have a motivation, it can work when you sleep. So don't forget, skills are input, the loop is the machine. I hope you like this video, so please paste the like and subscribe to the channel. Here you will see more AI insights, AI news and guides how to use different AI models.